This short video for the Mine Simulator TMS, we're discussing material types, how they are specified in the simulation and how they are used. To define material types in the Mine Simulator, you first go to the Operational Data tab from the main menu and then go to Material Types. So here you can specify up to 50 material types to be used in your simulation, and the different specifications are in material type groups. Material type groups enables you just to group similar sorts of materials into groups and report on those different types of groups. So in this case we've got 3 types of bauxite, so we just set up a material type group called bauxite, and so in some of the reporting we just report on bauxite, not the individual types of bauxite. Then in this case we specified 3 types of bauxite in this particular simulation, and they're all ore or waste, they're all ore. Now just to go through some of the data, the reason why we specify material types in the simulation is that we use it to control material movements within the simulation, i.e. if a mine has a number of waste stockpiles, and any waste can go to any waste stockpile, only one type of waste has to be specified, and the simulation will send the waste to the closest waste stockpile. And there's other reasons why we specify different types of material, and they're used throughout the simulation to control things like this type of digger can only mine this type of material, or these types of truck can only carry this type of material. Priorities, if the decision, as it states here, if the simulation has to make a decision about 2 material types, it will give preference, spelt wrong, to the material type with the lowest priority number. For example, if 3 material types have to be mined and only 2 digging units are available, the digging unit will be assigned to mine blocks with the lowest priority, i.e. the lowest number. This is the default density for the material. As you've probably seen in a previous video about mine blocks, each mine block is defined a density. If you don't define a density there, you'll use this default density. And then you just give a comment, a description of what this type of bauxite is. So that's all that is. And then these are the tons out of the mine blocks of the mine plan. This is put in here because just to make sure this is the total tons in your mine blocks here, and this is the total tons from here, so these should match up. If not, you've got material specified in your mine blocks that don't actually have a material type specified. So that's the main reason we specify mine blocks, material types, and as I said, they're specified everywhere else. Like if you're looking at a stockpile, you'll see here stockpiles actually assign a material type, what type of material is allowed to go in there, or they may be assigned multiple material types, so it can take C mono as well as C mono E in this particular stockpile. So, and once again, material diggers can be assigned. If you look at mobile equipment, you look at shovels, you can actually specify a digger to just work in a particular material if you want to force it into there. So it's important that when you define all your material types, you define all the ones which are available. So that's about it about material types. Thank you.